How you doing, guys, and welcome to another video. And in this video we're going to look at a new quad that's just been released. This is another cheap quad. It's based off of the Visuo, so quite similar. 2 megapixel camera, the usual gyroscope, Wi-Fi, all that kind of stuff. And this one apparently has a follow me mode, so it's going to be interesting to try that one out. I paid £33 for this one from TomTop, and yeah, let's get into it and see what it's like. So let's open the box here. So first of all, we've got the usual stuff here. Some propellers. How many's in there? 1, 2, so 4 propellers. We've got prop guards in there, and we've got the charger. Looks like a Nokia charger, the old Nokias there. Quite slim charger. I wonder if a Nokia will charge this battery. I'll try that out. Okay, so we've got that stuff there. Plastic. We've got the quad here, and we've got the controller here. Just take those out for a second, put those to the side, and that's it. Just some user stuff. Drone, Wi-Fi, Scout, quadcopter, and put that there, and put this here. Get rid of that. Okay, so first of all, controller. Kind of looks like the Mavic DJI controller. We've got your trim buttons on the left and right. We've got takeoff and land, power button, trim up and down, and then we've got your yaw and roll and stuff. Obviously fake antennas. We've got the buttons at the top, which is speed, and the other one is flips, and then we've got the ones at the back. I think one of them's for photo, and I think the other one's for photo, and you press it and hold it, and then it takes video, and I believe the other one is for activating the follow me. Well, that's what it said on the description anyway, but I'll believe that when I see it. And this one's got this kind of rubbery kind of feel on it, so it feels quite, quite grippy in the hands, which is a good thing. And then obviously you can put your mobile phone here. That feels cheap here, just bendy plastic, but it feels quite decent actually, quite solid. And it takes 3 AAAs, so I'll get those sorted out in a minute and put those in. Let's have a look at the quad itself. So as you can see, it's a Mavic Air clone. Got the camera here at the front. Camera goes right down, flips right down. This is a 2 megapixel camera. Flips right down. Yeah, it looks okay, I suppose. I've got some lights there at the front. Let's fold it out and see what happens there. Okay. So I think this is based off of the Visuo anyway, as I said. I believe it's, the same sort of stuff going on in there, what they had. So that looks pretty cool. It said it had some, it looks like it had some flip down legs on the actual box picture. Put this on. Is that one down there? Yeah, 2. Yeah, you get the idea anyway. So you can put the legs on there. Can't see any stickers though to stick on there. But anyway, that's that. So yeah, Mavic Air clone. Let's pull out the battery. Battery's supposed to be rated for about 10-12 minutes, they said. I think it's a 1000 milliamp battery. Is that a light on the back there or something? Looks like some sort of light, but I'm not sure. Let's see if it's got any power in. We'll switch it on. That was really hard to get out, and it looks like it's really hard to get in as well. Jesus. That doesn't fill me with confidence. Let's see if it's got any power. Oh, so there you go. There's the lights turning on. Oh, it has got a light in the back. Oh, that looks pretty nice actually. Not bad at all. Not bad. Oh, we've got a green light on the bottom. SD card slot. It's got a slot, but I can't see where the SD card will fit in. Okay, so I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna get some batteries in this now, and I'm gonna take this out and try download the application, and then we'll take it outside and then see what happens from there. Okay, see you in a sec, guys. Okay guys, so I've been out on my first flight and it's not good. It drifts everywhere, almost impossible to trim. It kind of reminds me of the eSheen E58, that Mavic Pro clone. It's not good at all. The Visuo will smack this down any day of the week. The Visuo is still one of the best cheap quads you can buy, in my opinion. You can see by the video quality here, it's not good at all. Even though this has got a 2 megapixel camera, it's kind of pants. The camera quality isn't much better. I thought I'd go out, near golden hour to see if it, get the best I could. Maybe it needs extreme light to be any good. But no, can I recommend this GoolRC X12? No. It looks the part, it looks fun. Obviously, the camera, everything else. Before we even get there, yes, you can see I've gone crazy with my vinyl and bits and pieces. So here's a proper Mavic, Mavic Air, and you can see the sticker on the side there, and you can see the silver motors and that kind of stuff. I've just gone ahead and done the same thing, put a bit of silver vinyl around there, put just a sticker I found of a QR code. Yeah, so it kind of looks like a Mavic Air, but again, like the eSheen, I wasn't expecting obviously anything good, but it's not even a good flyer really. It drifts everywhere. It's slow. The turns are slow. It's not really any fun. Even in the third rate, it's kind of poor. I'm going to have to contact TomTop because a lot of the features which they said don't work, headless mode, follow me, all that kind of stuff, draw on the screen light. It's like a cheap sort of version of Waypoints. But anyway, none of it works. I can't recommend this one. Again, I'm going to say to people, if you're looking for a cheap quad to learn how to fly or just to bash around, it's still going to be the Visuo. You can't beat it. So guys, thank you for watching the review of the GoolRC X12, available on TomTop for around $44 right now. But I'm going to say don't buy it. Take care guys. Bye.